tell I'm going to get wet from this one.
Please sit upright, hold on tight, and brace for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill. Thank you.
Log Flume said there's no views of the park itself. But look, we have Scorpion right there, Falcon's Fury, Phoenix Rising. And there's the Skyway over there, and I see the actual Big Ben. Get wet from that one, wow. Not wet from that. I got wet from that turn. Oh, the next one's the one you get wet at. It's actually my first time on here.
Hold on tight and brace for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill. Thank you.
Por favor, siéntense correctamente y sujétense bien fuerte para una caída repentina que se despliegue al fondo de la curva.
Yeah, it's been flashing. Yeah, I'm soaked. I lifted the camera up so I wouldn't get wet, so I'm soaked. It was fun, that lost it. There's no demon to it. That's not only complain. That's the only thing I can really complain about. And this one, there's no demon to it. But still, it's fun. I'll ride it again. It's fun. You don't get as wet as the Splash Mountain. So I'll ride it again.